this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for custom to layered art piece. First, visit Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section, click here to start downloading the printing file and mock-up file. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen with all the detailed guideline and notes for the product. The upper area is for layer 1. You can create any shape you in this layer. The lower area is for layer 1. In this section, you can design each art piece to create a 3D look for the product. For the best results, always follow the note written on the file. For example, important design should be in the blue line or the file format should be PNG with 300 dpi. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mockup file, click on the image you want to create a mockup. For example, click on folder 5, you'll the design copy folder. This includes the small folder corresponds for 2 layer of the product. Click on the first layer, right-click and select Relink to File. Choose the printing file that you've just finished, click Place and wait for the template to load. Do the same action with the second layer, then you'll have your design appear in the mockup like this. Rotate the artwork and adjust your mockup by layering to layer of the product on top of each other. Follow our actions to cut the final artwork to a completed mockup image. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.